Hi, my name is Dr. Anwar and you are watching Dynamic English Academy. Today we are going to work on how to use being as passive for continuous sentences. Like, for example, I am cooking my lunch. The second sentence where we are using being, the sentence is my lunch is being cooked. So in the first sentence, I am cooking my lunch, it means मैं खाना बना रहा हूँ. In the second sentence, my lunch is being cooked, it means मेरा खाना बन रहा है. See the difference. Here subject is important. Here object is important, which was not very important in this sentence. This was the least important word. That became the most important word here. So in this sentence, we are talking about the person who is doing the work. In this sentence, we are talking about the work which is being done, means my lunch is being cooked. Now, let's learn it in an easy way. My lunch is being cooked. मेरा खाना बन रहा है. Similarly, you can think of other sentences like चाय बन रही है. Tea is being made. Tea is being made. Class पढ़ाई जा रही है. Class is being taught. Class is being taught. Class पढ़ाई जा रही है. If I say मैं class पढ़ा रहा हूँ, I will say I am teaching the class. But if I want to say class पढ़ाई जा रही है, I will say the class is being taught. Similarly, खत लिखा जा रहा है, letter लिखा जा रहा है, we would say the letter is being written. And if I say मैं letter लिख रहा हूँ, I will say I am writing a letter. You can also think of some similar sentences and you can write those sentences in the comment below